Tina. Nikita.
What nonsense? Sorry guys, I'm late.
Is the report ready? Is the functionality working? Why are you so late?
I propose this. This is like an excellent idea.
I propose this one because I think it's a really serious problem.
I propose this because eventually everyone is depressed.
I propose dementia because I can use this app in my old age.
I propose nutrition because nowadays I'm so much into it.
Fail.
Dude, what are we gonna do? Every idea has been rejected.
Dude, I have no idea. I just want to get started like on coding. Like, just give me something and I'll start coding. Seriously.
What, we don't have any other thing. Like, we're left like what? One or two ideas. I think I'm sure that is also gonna get rejected.
I don't know, dude. I don't know.
Don't worry, we'll figure out something. Guys, what do you think about this idea?
This is a really good idea, but we have to think something unique.
Yeah, I think we can record the action plan in this one.
We should probably have a feature where the user should be able to add medicine reminders as well.
We can also add a diary where parents can add their previous attacks.
Yeah, and also they can receive alerts for future attacks.
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
So, what do you think? Should we go for this?
Definitely.
Yeah.
Yes.
Let's try.
Yeah, I think in the iteration stage, I'm really struggling with the team meeting because at that time I'm not confident enough to speak out what I'm thinking about. I'm also trying hard to catch up what other team members are talking about, but it's really hard for me, I have to say. And also I think other team members are also trying to understand what I'm thinking about.
So, I thought iteration 1 was going to be super easy because, let's face it, we're just creating an application that stores like data and stuff. We weren't even going to use like any online stuff. But as it turns out, everything is difficult. So we are struggling a bit right now. And every single team is creating a website and we are like the only people who are creating an application. So that kind of makes things challenging.
So iteration 1 was over and we had to start with our next phase, which was iteration 2. It was particularly difficult iteration for us because we had many features to implement, and these were the most important features in our application, which will make our app complete. So we had to work a lot and there were a lot of implementations to do. And at the end, it was good because industry mentors, after completing everything, industry mentors loved our project, and so did the studio mentors.
Iteration 1 and 2 went very well. So what we thought, like, we have completed all the main functionalities of our application. But what happened was, after the industry mentors meeting, they advised us to have some more functionalities, and at the end, like, we started building a lot of functionalities in iteration 3. Like, it was not a planned one to implement because our plan was to complete all the main functionalities in iteration 2 and just have the UI fixes and some 1 or 2 functionality that. But at the end, more than iteration 1 and 2 user stories, our iteration 3 user stories became like double the times, which was so unplanned. even though it was very challenging, we were able to do, and we were able to finish everything as planned. We were able to do some more things which was not even asked for or expected from the studio mentors and industry mentors. We were really happy because we were able to see things like improvement from iteration 2 and 3.
Now is the time that functionality development was completed. It's time for integrity testing, and it wasn't that easy as what we thought of it would be, as many of the functionalities had issues and things, and we were really struggling. I was personally concerned about if the things would be like how we would be expected, what would happen if all the functionalities crash. There's so many things running on my mind. But yeah, I think we did a wonderful job. I should say that we worked as a team that day. We had a very intense testing that happened when our team was testing the entire functionality. That was a great experience, and we're quite happy about how the product turned out. IE has been an amazing experience for me. There were many things that was taught to me from the beginning which I had not been exposed to. I think it's a great way to for a student to transition from a uni experience to a work ready. So I think this has helped me a lot.
So this whole IE experience was very different experience which I had in the whole Monash University of all of the units. And it was different because I had to work with different people with different backgrounds, learn new cultures, made really good friends. And apart from that, the bonus was that I learned also many things in different domains. So that was the best part for me in IE.
I have learned a lot from this subject. Everyone teach me something new, and every iteration taught me something new. My teammates, my studio mentors, the industry mentors. It is good to get feedback from so many people. That's how I think so I have progressed and I have improved so much. And yeah, even though I had so much struggles, hard work, sleepless nights, but yeah, at last I have done.
Yeah, about the IE experience, at first I think I'm really the lucky one because all the team members are really kind, and because I'm the only Chinese people in this team, and at first I used a long time to try to catch up with them and try to communicate with them smoothly, and I feel really happy that they are all kind and patient to talk with me. And what's more is that I tried many things. It's my first time to try to use the Photoshop, and also it's my first time to try to use the Premium to make the videos. Also, it's the first time I try to make something like poster or flyers, and everything is new to me. I'm really happy to take part in this project. Thank you.
The best part about this whole experience was that this was essentially a melting pot of different cultures and different skills, and under such circumstances you're bound to learn something new every single day, and that's exactly what happened. And other than that, what I found out was that I think it's okay to try new things, what this experience has taught me. Initially, when there are certain features I had to implement, I was super scared that I could never do this and I could never do that. But eventually, when I tried, I was able to do it. So I guess this experience has increased my confidence, and I got to learn so many different things from so many different people.